I can say that today this unit has 20,025 miles on it, back and forth from California to Texas to Vermont and everywhere else, and we really have had no issues whatsoever. A minor issue with one of the lights brought us by as we were traveling through, and they went above and beyond, found little things that we hadn't been looking for, and took care of all of it. We were so impressed. We looked at everything. We looked at so many different models before we chose Alliance, and really we have to thank the sales guy, because he said if it was my money, I'd buy this one, and he was right.
We are here, and things are not stopping.
We got a tour yesterday. It was amazing. We're really blown away. The entire group from top to bottom has just been fantastic. It was really great meeting with Rob, and I know that she loves the full-length mirror, so she can see if the shoes match the outfit. But really, everything is great.
We knew we would like our RV, but we didn't know we would love it.
And we do.
Love it.
And we really do. We appreciate everything y'all do. Thank you, Alliance.